This interactive multiplication table should look familiar, but now you'll use the keypad to enter the multiples. Pick a number on the table to make your first row. How about 3? We have one row of 3. After 0, what's the first multiple of 3? 3. Use the keypad and the number will appear. To finalize your answer and to show the next row, press Enter. What's the next multiple of 3? Just add 3 more. 3 plus 3 is 6. And don't forget to press Enter. What's the next multiple of 3? 6 plus 3 is 7? Uh-oh! If you make a mistake, you'll know immediately. You literally can't enter the wrong number. To continue, just press it again. Whoops! The next multiple of 3 is definitely not 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. Easy. For this table, you have to stack the rows all the way to the top before you skip count your way back down to 0. Let's fast forward to the top. And what's the biggest multiple of 3 on this chart? Skip count by addition. 27 blocks plus 3 more is 30. Or use multiplication. 3 blocks multiplied by 10 rows is 30. Remember to press Enter, and now you have 2 options. You can reverse to skip count backwards all the way down to 0, or clear. To start over with another number, choose Clear. How about multiples of 4? After 0, the first multiple of 4 is 4. What's the next multiple of 4? 4 blocks plus 4 more is 8. In other words, 4 blocks multiplied by 2 rows is 8. 8 blocks plus 4 more is 13. Whoops! 8 plus 4 is not 13. It's 12. In other words, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Let's fast forward to the top. What's the biggest multiple of 4 on this chart? Skip count by addition. 36 blocks plus 4 more is 40. Or use multiplication. 4 blocks multiplied by 10 rows is 40. Remember to press Enter, and now you have 2 options. To start over, choose Clear. But to skip count backwards all the way down to 0, choose Reverse. There are 10 rows, so the top row was 40. 40 minus 4 is 36. Skip counting backwards is subtraction, and 36 minus 4 is 32. With this chart, if you decide to skip count backwards, you'll have to go all the way back down to 0. Got it? Great!